Hello, welcome back to my channel, Preventing Crimes Together. Our job is to educate you on some of the basic things you need to put in place in order not to become victims of criminal activities. I am your host, Dr. Solomon Okwendi. Now, in today's episode, we are going to be looking at the very important topics. Why you should always lock your car doors and windows. Why you should always lock your car doors and windows. Some of us, I don't know, maybe out of laziness or out of show off, we leave our cars, the doors and the windows unlocked. We just leave them there, we park them. When we are going out, we are going to eat, we are going somewhere, we go on the street, we just park them there, leaving the doors and windows unlocked. You can be a target of criminals. So, locking your car doors and windows is a crucial measure, one of the most important measures to deter crime and ensure the safety of your vehicles and belongings. Now, let me give you some reasons why you should always lock your car doors and windows. Number one, it prevents theft. Now, locked cars and windows make it significantly more difficult for thieves to access your vehicle. Makes it difficult for them to access your vehicle. And so this will in turn reduce the risk of theft of both your car and the valuables that you have inside your vehicle. Number two reasons is because it will protect your personal belongings. Now, sometimes we leave valuable items inside our vehicles. So leaving your car doors and windows exposes those items to the public, to vandals, to thieves who may be lurking around. So items left in plain sight inside an unlocked car are easy targets for theft. And so this is why locking your cars will help to protect those valuables that you left inside your car, such as your electronics, your bags, and other items. Sometimes we've had stories where your car doors and windows are left open and people break in and then they steal your car stereo. These are some of the things they will vandalize when you leave your car doors and windows unlocked. Number three reasons is that they deter opportunistic crimes. When you lock your car doors and windows, you deter crimes of opportunity. Now, what are crimes of opportunity or opportunistic crimes? They simply refer to criminal acts that are committed without planning. That's why they call it opportunistic crime of opportunity. Those acts occur without planning. This happens when the perpetrator seizes the opportunity that presents itself, because there's no guardianship. There's nobody, there's no security, there's nobody watching. And so the opportunity presents itself and they seize the opportunity and steal your belongings. Examples of opportunistic crimes are theft, stealing unattended items such as your wallet, your phones, or burglary, vandalism, fraud. These are all examples of opportunistic crimes. So when you lock your car doors and windows, you deter opportunistic crime. And then number 4 reason is because it prevents vandalism. When you lock your car doors and windows, when you lock them, when you are stepping out of your car, when you are going into your office, when you are going to your house, when you park them on the street or in the market, in the mall, you prevent vandalism. So locked cars are less likely to be targeted for vandalism or damage, as the opportunistic vandals often seek out unlocked vehicles for mischief. They are moving around looking for cars that are not locked so that they can carry out their mischievous activities. Number 5 reason is because it protects personal information. Many vehicles today contains personal documents, registration details, important information. In my vehicle, for example, there is a remote control that once I drive in, I open it and I enter, the garage door will open. And so if I leave my car doors and windows unlocked, somebody might come in there, press the remote control, the garage door will be open. They can just go in there and steal and vandalize my property. And so this is why it is very, very important that you lock your car doors and windows. Number 6 reason is because it will prevent unauthorized use. A locked car reduces the risk of someone gaining access to and potentially stealing your vehicle without permission, which can lead to legal and safety complications. People are looking for vehicles to steal. And so when you leave your car doors and windows unlocked, they can come in there and steal your vehicles. We've seen things like that, time without numbers. Number 7 reasons, and finally, is that it gives you peace of mind. When you lock your car doors and windows, you have peace of mind. You have peace of mind. You knowing that your vehicle and its contents are secure. Whether you park them in the public area, you park them at home, in your office, you have peace of mind knowing that your car doors and windows are locked. And so, in summary, by making it a habit to lock your car doors and windows whenever you leave the vehicle, you are significantly reducing the risk of theft, vandalism, and unauthorized access. And so we are going to end our discussion today. I remain your host, Dr. Solomon Okwendi. Please like, subscribe, and share. Until I come your way again, bye for now. Thank you.